Hello everyone. Today in this session we will talk about the chapter 3 questions, which is session 2 of this chapter. Before moving forward to give the summary, I would like to give some word meanings which I have found hard for you. That is pitied, which means sympathized; bending, that is roundabout; seized, took by force; fainted, who have lost consciousness; and redressed, which means dressed again. These are some word meanings which I have found difficult and I have written for you. This is the topics that we are going to read today, that are the wounded man and the king signed a relief. Who was that wounded man who was running towards that person, or running towards the king while he was helping the hermit? In the previous session, I have taught about half of the chapter that has been given to you in the previous video. In this video, uh, we will talk about that person who was running towards the king. That man was coming. That man was come running towards them with wounded stomach. The king dressed him. The man felt better, and king took him inside the house and gave him some water. He tired. The tired king had sleep on the ground, and man was lying on the bed. Here, when the king saw that man was coming towards them, he saw his stomach was wounded. So he first dressed him and took him to the house and gave him water to drink, make him rest. And he was so tired himself, the king, who was so tired himself of work and helping that wounded man, he got to sleep on the ground, whereas that wounded man was sleeping on the bed. While in the morning, when he awoke, the man was asking for forgiveness because he come to take revenge from the king. When the king awoke, the man was asking for forgiveness because he was to take the revenge from that king. Although the king has forgive, but the reason behind taking the reason behind taking that revenge was that the king had killed his brother and had taken away all his property. That is why the king, that is why that person was wanting to kill that king. But the king's bodyguard wounded him, and what happened to that person was when he was coming from his hiding place to kill the king. Unfortunately, he met with the bodyguards of the king, and that bodyguard wounded him. But the king helped him, and king was pleased to turn his enemy into a friend. The hermit said to the man that the most important time is now. The most important person at the particular moment is we ourselves, and the most important job is to do good to the others. Now, these are the three things that hermit has told to the king when he was returning from the jungle. Now, the last thing that we will talk about, the king signed a relief. He get the answers over here. Uh, when king again go to the hermit to take the answers of his all three questions, here the hermit said he has got all the answers already. The hermit was showing the seeds at that time in that bed which was dug earlier. When the king asked him to answer his three questions, the hermit replied that the king was already found the answer of his questions, which was the most important time when he was digging the bed, and the hermit was most important man at that time. And in answer to his first question, which was the important time, the hermit suggests that the most important time when a person has is the present time, which and the most important person is that person with him he is at that time. So these are the first two questions that is the answer of his first two questions. And the last question which the king wanted to know was that what is the most important thing for him to do. So in that answer for that question was that the most important job is to do good to others, or to good to that person to whom he was with or he is with. So these three answers are for that question which was king asking for. This is the chapter that you have to learn. Here you have I have finished the summary. You just have to go through the chapters where you can get your doubts. You can clear them with your you can ask them through your videos, and I will solve it out. Till then, thank you for watching. Live at home and be safe.